Just what we're talking about. When you thought the weather couldn't possibly throw us another curveball, one may be on the horizon.
Scientists are worried La Niña could impact eastern North Carolina before the year ends. First Alert meteorologist Pierce Legion joins us now with how it could affect the east.
There's still some uncertainty about whether or not this happens at all, but the good news is we still have at least a few more months to see how everything comes together. After one of the strongest El Niños on record led to a soggy winter across the east, scientists are now turning their attention to the phenomenon's counterpart.
What often happens with strong El Niños is they're followed by a La Niña event. And researchers believe that this is a cycle.
During La Niña, water temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific cool, sometimes well below normal. And just like El Niño, La Niña can shift weather patterns across the globe, bringing with it the possibility of extreme weather. We could start seeing impacts here in the east as soon as the fall.
Eastern North Carolina may have a greater probability of getting struck by a hurricane during the, thinking about September, October, November time period.
During La Niña, winds which could tear apart tropical systems are diminished, leading to the possibility of stronger storms and more of them. However, there is a silver lining if you aren't a fan of the wet weather.
That storm track is going to shift northward, and you're not going to have that energy coming off the Gulf of Mexico, which can drive rainfall in the eastern part of the United States.
A La Niña during the winter often brings drier than normal conditions to the east. La Niña doesn't always directly follow El Niño, but the official forecast gives nearly a 60% chance of one developing by the end of the year. Now, individual computer forecast models haven't come together yet on if La Niña develops later this year, but scientists expect to have a much better idea of what to expect by the end of the summer. Meteorologist Pierce Legion, now on your side.